Hey everyone, it's me Zane.
And it's me Morgan.
And today, we're on a deserted island. Please send help for us. But in the meantime, we've been making pirate bottles. Or I guess we found the pirate bottles.
Or we made... we did something.
We've been here for so long, I don't even remember which.
So hot in here.
Anyways, let's get started.
Alright guys, so in this week's craft bag, you should have some sand, a pirate bottle, some assorted beads and rocks, some little seashells, some twine of different sizes, this like fish netting material, a burnt unmarked pirate map, a Sharpie, and you will need maybe a pen and some scissors or a pencil, or if you want colored pencils to like draw on your map later. That's the extra stuff. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna remove the cork, and then I'm just gonna start like tying some like string onto here, because I'm gonna put some beads. Like we're just gonna make it kind of like cool bohemian looking. And if you want to do it a different way, like if you want to like wrap like maybe like this around the bottle somehow, like that, like you can do it that way. There's no wrong way to do this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some cool beads and string them through to the best of my ability. Keep this one in place. I'm just gonna string it back through the other side again. There we go. And that should keep this one stationary. So you just put it through the one end and then loop it twice. And I'll show you guys again. So you loop it through this side. Try to get your string. Sometimes they get stuck because the ends like start to unravel, so just like start twisting them. Twist the ends back to a good pointy shape. And then you want to pull it through, and then when you have it in the spot that you want it, you're going to take the other end and loop it back through again. And then that'll keep it in place. And once you have a few on there, you can just like double knot the end, just like tie a little knot there. Give yourself enough room to tie a knot, that would be beneficial. Yeah, just like that. And they should just stay in place for the most part. Yeah. So I'm gonna do just a few of these because I think it looks cool. So next I'm going to take my like fish netting here and spread it apart. Try to find the middle of it. And I'm going to just slip this over top here. And I'm going to pull some of my like guys through so they like are on the outside of the bottle. I'm going to cut some of mine up a little bit too. because I just want it to be like kind of hanging off. You guys could like tuck it underneath of it if you want, but I just want mine to be like just a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pour my sand in, and you guys have them in like little baggies like this. I would just go ahead and cut the edge of this and then pour it into there. But I actually have a funnel here, and you guys could make it out of paper, but you guys could just cut the plastic bags. That's gonna be a lot easier. And then I'm gonna take my little colorful rocks here, and you guys could even throw in like a key or something. That could be cool. You guys should each have like a little key, or maybe multiple. And now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and drop in some of my shells as well. Yeah, if you guys have extra stuff that you couldn't tie on, just throw it in the thing. I think it just makes it look cooler. So the next part, we're gonna take this and I'm gonna peel apart one of these like strands here so you guys can see how that works. And I'm gonna use this to like tie my note at the end. Like,
that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's what I'm like, oh, that looks really cool.
Thanks.
Yeah, nice.
I was thinking about whether or not I want to
map.
like actually label it or not.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, you should put some labels or not. Okay, so for the map part, I'm just going to come up with my own pirate map. Zane was using like an actual picture of a real pirate map from the show One Piece, but I'm thinking more of like doing maybe like 100-acre wood, like Winnie the Pooh type map.
If I borrow
So,
a pen.
of course you can borrow it. There you go. So I'm gonna start with X marks the spot like over here. So, now that I have this map done here, Zane, can I see your map real quick? Just so I can show them, like, the difference. So, Zane is doing, like, little islands right here, and he took just, like, a red Sharpie and is, like, writing different names for everything. I think his looks really cool. It's, like, more of, like, land masses, and mine's more of, like, he was saying, like, a Skyrim, treasure map.
I kind of also left mine with the burnt edges here kind of vague, as there's still stuff over here. It's just kind of implying that there might have been stuff over there at one point.
That's a good idea. Yeah, I stayed just in the middle. It's fine. We did it differently, but I love that.
I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, okay, so now I'm going to roll it up. I'm going to roll it up so you can see the outside of it, because just so for aesthetic reasons. And then I'm going to tie this on here. I'm just going to make sure that it's small enough. Okay, now I'm going to try to shove this whole thing into this bottle. So we'll see how this goes. I might have to redo some of it, but because it is a tight fit, you need to like roll it up really well because I'm having trouble fitting this in. I might need to make mine a little bit smaller here. Yeah, I'm going to have to make mine like rolled up a little tighter. You might want to just try it before so you don't get to like where I am. and have to redo it, but I have a lot of extra, so.
The crinkle look will make it look more
Perfect.
aesthetic.
Yeah, there we go. You can just say that. That fits a lot better. So I'm just gonna shove this as much as I can down in there. And I just want my strings to get in there too, so I'm gonna shove them down with the scissors because they're getting like a little stuck at the top. But whatever, it's fine. It's a pirate bottle. It's supposed to look crazy. Alright. I'm gonna put the cap on, and there we go. I have a pretty awesome secret bottle and or secret message in a bottle. I have a secret bottle with a message.
What's your treasure at the end of that there?
This bottle.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's a paradox.
It was the treasure we made along the way.
Exactly. Perfect. All right, Zane. Well, you guys will see Zane's at the beginning.
Yeah, I'm coming along.
You can actually see it better because it's hard to tilt this because all the sand will fall. So you, just like this map, you'll see it at the beginning before it's even started. Perfect. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this craft, and we'll see you next week.
See you guys.